Loving and compassionate in Onpassive. We are on a journey that will take us off the dreams and hopes that all of us have been waiting for. Everything in life calls on faith and belief in something. Our something is Onpassive. There have been many bumps on the road, but Onpassive has survived and thriving thanks to the brilliance of Mr. Mufareh and his staff. We will reap timeless rewards by trusting in him, his staff, our beginning founders in Onpassive, equates to having trust in someone who believes in uplifting humanity. Onpassive is the vehicle created for all who have dread to win to bring a change in the life of millions of people who needs help badly. Mr. Mufareh, you have an army of resolute founders joining hands with your family and staff to make life better for the homeless, the hungry, the widows, the orphans who need loving parents to adopt them, who have been left to fend for themselves. With just token efforts by most of the world, the helping of humanity touches all founders' hearts. What we have in our hands with Onpassive, we should not feel guilty about the wealth that will come our way with the sale of products that are in high demand by most people in the business world. Those resources will absolutely take care of founders. We can help more when we have the resource with which to do it. Thank you, Mr. Mufareh, and your family and resolute staff for helping us found us. We love you very much. Thank you.